Can I ask you something first? Are you going to work in English soon? Maybe at a new job? Or in a new country? Or maybe you just want to listen to real English, real conversations, and learn without staring at a grammar book? I'm Anna, and I'm so happy you're here today. Welcome to Easy Langulo, where you learn by listening. In every episode, Logan and I just talk, like normal people. We do not slow down too much. We do not explain every single word. We just talk, and you listen. And your English gets better, slowly, naturally. Today we are talking about my first day at work. Actually, my first day at a new job here in New York. It was exciting, it was a little scary, and honestly, some things went completely wrong. Haha. Okay, let us go.
Okay, so Anna, tell me everything. How was the first day?
It was good. It was a lot.
A lot? How?
A lot of people, a lot of new things, a lot of smiling and nodding and pretending I understood everything.
Classic first day energy.
Ha ha ha! Yes, classic. And I was so nervous in the morning. I woke up at 6 and I just could not sleep anymore. I kept lying there thinking, what if I say something wrong? What if someone talks really fast and I just stand there with my mouth open?
Oh no.
Like a fish, just my mouth open and nothing coming out.
Okay, but did that actually happen?
Kind of, sort of, a little bit. Haha, yes.
Oh, this is gonna be good.
Haha. Okay, so my manager took me around the office. She walked me from desk to desk. James, Priya, Tom, Kevin, Maria, all very fast, very friendly. So many names.
How many people?
Too many. Way too many for one morning.
Did you remember any of them?
I remembered Priya because she had really cool earrings. That was my system. Find one interesting thing. Remember it.
That is actually genius.
It works okay. You see cool earrings, you remember the person. Priya, earrings. Done.
What about the others?
James had a blue pin behind his ear. Tom was tall. Kevin. Kevin had a plant on his desk. Kevin and the plant. That is all I have.
Kevin and the plant. Amazing.
I will figure out the rest later. Haha.
Okay. So the people were nice at least?
Yes. Really nice. And Priya came to my desk later just to check on me. She said, hey, do not stress, we all had a first day. And she made me a coffee.
Oh, she sounds wonderful.
She is the best. Honestly, I decided immediately she is my work best friend now. She does not know this yet, but it is decided.
She has no choice.
No choice at all. It is done, haha.
Okay, so what about the actual work? What do you do there?
So I am on a small marketing team. We make content for social media. Videos, posts, that kind of thing. It is really fun. I like it a lot.
That sounds perfect for you.
Right? But on the first day, they do not give you much actual work. You just sit there and read documents.
Oh, the onboarding stuff.
So much onboarding stuff, Logan. Pages and pages and pages, company rules, systems, passwords. I read the same paragraph 4 times and still understood nothing.
Yeah, onboarding documents are written by robots.
Absolute robots. Zero personality and so boring. My brain just shut down for a while, haha.
So, what did you do?
I nodded a lot, and I wrote things down. Even when I did not understand, I just wrote it down, very confident, very serious.
Smart. You look busy at least.
I looked very busy.
Okay, did anything go wrong? Like, actually wrong?
Oh, yes. Okay, let me tell you about the phone. So, there is a phone on my desk, an office phone, old school, buttons and everything.
Oh no, I already know where this is going.
Haha, yes, it rang. Logan, At 2 o'clock, it just rang,
And
and I froze. I just sat there and stared at it.
you did not pick it up?
I could not move. I panicked. In my head, I was thinking, do I say my name? Do I say the company name? Do I say hello in a professional voice? What is a professional voice even?
So, what did you do?
I waited. It rang 6 times and then it stopped.
Anna.
I know, haha. And then 15 minutes later, Priya walks over. She says, "Hey Anna, you have a voicemail."
Oh, no.
And I said, "A voicemail? How do I listen to it?" And she showed me. It was from my own manager, just checking if I needed anything. It was embarrassing.
You let your manager go to voicemail on day 1.
On day 1. I know, but nobody told me the phone rules. There are always rules that nobody tells you.
This is so true, actually. Every office has unwritten rules.
Exactly, like the coffee machine. Oh, wait. Okay, there is also a coffee machine story.
Oh, there is more?
There is always more with me, you know this.
Okay, go. Tell me the coffee machine story.
So around 3 o'clock, I go to the kitchen. I just want hot water for my tea. Simple. There is a machine there. Very big. Very fancy. It has like 15 buttons and a little screen.
Oh, yeah, those ones. They look like a spaceship.
Exactly like a spaceship. And I just press what looks like the water button.
And?
And this machine just starts. Very loud, very confident, and it makes a full espresso. And I am standing there thinking, no, 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 no. I do not want this. I just wanted hot water.
Did you stop it?
I did not know how to stop it. It was already going. So I just waited. And then I took the cup, and I walked back to my desk.
Did you drink it?
I drank the whole thing. I did not even want it, but I felt too embarrassed to throw it away. What if someone saw me waste the espresso?
Anna!
I was shaking a little bit after. Too much caffeine, and I was already nervous, so
So you were nervous and shaking?
vibrating basically. Just sitting at my desk, vibrating and nodding. Very professional, right?
Okay, but honestly, overall, good day?
Yes. Honestly, yes. I liked the team. I liked the work. And at the end of the day, my manager stopped by my desk. She said, "Great first day, Anna. You are really hitting the ground running."
Oh, nice. That is a great thing to hear.
I smiled and said thank you. But in my head, I was thinking, what does that mean? Am I running? Is there a ground? Why?
Okay, so hitting the ground running, it just means you started strong. Like you did not need time to warm up. From day 1, you were already going.
Oh, that is a compliment.
A big compliment, yeah. Some people start a new job and the first week they are slow. They need time to find their rhythm. But hitting the ground running means nope, already ready and already going.
Even with the phone situation?
Even with the phone situation.
Even with the espresso?
Especially with the espresso. Haha, that showed commitment.
Haha, yes, I was so committed. Okay, so if someone says that to you at work, you are really hitting the ground running. It means you started well. You are doing great. It is a good thing.
Exactly. You will hear it a lot in American workplaces. Okay, so did anything else happen?
Yes, actually. The toilet situation.
The toilet situation?
I had to go to the toilet. So I asked Priya where it was. She said, "Just go left, then right, then it is the door at the end of the hallway."
Simple enough.
I thought so too. I went left, then right, and then I saw a door at the end. So I just opened it.
And?
It was a storage room, full of paper, and a man standing there looking at me.
Ha ha ha, who was it?
I have no idea. I never saw him before. We just looked at each other for like 3 full seconds.
What did you do?
I said sorry. Wrong door. And I closed it again. Very slowly. Very calm. Like nothing happened.
Ha ha! Did you ever find the toilet?
Eventually, yes. It was the other end of the hallway. I went the wrong direction completely.
Ha ha! Of course you did.
And the worst part, I passed that man again later at the coffee machine. And he just looked at me. And I looked at him. And we said nothing.
That is so painful.
The storage room man. We have a bond now. A silent, awkward bond.
Ha ha, yes.
Hey Logan, great conversation today. You are really hitting the ground running.
Ha! See? You already got it.
Natural. Effortless. Okay, are you excited for my day too?
I am actually a little nervous for you.
Yes, me too, haha. I am going to answer the phone this time. I practiced. In the bathroom mirror. Hello, this is Anna speaking.
Perfect. Very professional.
And I know how to use the coffee machine now. Priya showed me. There is literally just one button for hot water. One button. I pressed the wrong one the whole way on the other side.
Of course you did.
Of course I did, but now I know, haha. Okay. I think that is our conversation for today.
Yeah, good chat. Good first day, Anna.
Thanks, Logan. Haha. See you next time. And that is it for today. Thank you so much for listening. I really hope you enjoyed it. And maybe you recognized something in that conversation. A new place, new people, not knowing the rules. Those nervous moments that feel so big at the time, that is completely normal. And here is something important. You understood more than you think. Even if some parts felt fast, even if some words were new, your brain was listening and learning. That is how it works. You do not need to understand every single word. You just need to keep listening. If this felt a little fast today, just press play again. Listen one more time. It will feel different. Easier. I promise. And guess what? Every time you press play on this podcast, that is exactly what you are doing. You are hitting the ground running. Thanks for listening and learning. See you in the next episode.